It's here. It's exciting. I'm not showing the front of it obviously because of dress and stuff, but it's here. Cosgear sent me some different things to make a video about, just like review them and show how I feel about them. And I've been waiting for this to come, and it's very exciting. Now we're gonna open it. I like the use of duct tape. Oh, unboxing the rabbit ears. They sent me a couple different of the ear covers. They sent me the rabbit ears. Look at them. Very secure. Oh, that's so shiny. Oh, bring it to life. It looks so fancy. The Cosears are naturally moving electronic ears for cosplay. The ears move based on sound and head movement and have automatic moves for any mood. With easy magnetic fastening, interchangeable covers, and 2 headbands included, Cosears are the only ears you'll ever need. I don't even need to hear anymore. I could just use these. 8 hours of battery life. So that would last you like most of a con day. That would last you most of a con day. Oh, we're gonna do this all official like unboxing. I like the cover. Just the vibes that you get, it just looks so fancy. Electronics inside, handle with caution. Good to know, good to know. This is almost like you're getting one with me. Oh, quick start guide. There's the actual thing inside the box, and then the instructions. Let's read the instructions. Put on one of the 2 headbands. Fit the included cat ear covers on the Cosears. Push the power button to turn on your Cosears. Select mode using the power button. Place the Cosears on the headband and enjoy. Okay, I'm gonna have to read those again because I was just kind of reading it for the sake of reading it, not reading it for the sake of actually comprehending it. Okay. Oh. I did this right. Ooh, I actually just realized that I skipped the entire part of me opening the box because I forgot. Oh, this is, the headband. Oh, see, the headband is made of metal, and then there's little magnets on the ears. That's exciting. Do I need to charge it? Oh, these are the patterns. They have patterns so you can make your own ears. That's exciting. Oh, look, there's little boxes. I want to know what's in them. I want the 2 headbands. The included cat ear covers. Is that this? Oh, what's in the box? It tells you what's in the box. You don't even have to figure it out for yourself. Handy. Okay, cat ears. Interesting. Okay, let's follow the instructions. Oh, that's Velcro. Okay. Oh. Look at them. They're moving. Okay. Look. They move and I make noise. Hello. Oh no. See, there's like little, they fell off because there's little connecty things. Oh, wait, I see. Okay, hang on. The inside of the ears, there's little, like, Velcro. So, like, self-adhesive stuff, and I have to put that on the right way, I'm assuming. Oh, it's, like, sticky. Okay. We have them on. I don't think they're gonna fall off. Oh, it's the magnets! You can wear it under a wig, right? Because the magnets connect to the headband. So you can wear the headband under your wig and then put the ears on it. And oh my gosh, it's amazing. Okay, gotta actually turn it on again. My dudes. Look. They move on their own. Oh. This is crazy. So my conclusion for the first time trying on Cosears, very cool, very shiny. I think I must have done something to the cord or the magnet possibly. It makes it so one of the ears is not quite moving properly, but I will get that sorted out. Very cool. I'm gonna try this with a wig. It's not gonna be today. You won't be able to tell the difference in the video. But I'm gonna try this with an actual wig and then see how it works under a wig, because I think that would be very cool. So conclusion, very cool. Thank you to Cosgear for sending me these. These are very cool. Thank you for that. I'm gonna show you with the wig next. So let's see that.
Okay, so I lied. First off, I'm going to show you how to do just like a really quick like cat girl type look just with your normal hair. First off, I just kind of did a basic face of makeup with some nice eyeliner and then like little anime type highlights on my cheeks. It's nothing super complicated, just really simple, pretty cute. And then I just add the cat ear covers to the Cosears, put them onto the metal headband, turn it onto one of the more casual modes, and then put it onto my head. Even though this is a little bit more of a simple look, I really love how this turned out. I feel like this could be great for just some casual brand photos, maybe for streaming on Twitch or something like that. It's super cute and super easy. Now I'm going to show you how the Cosears look with an actual wig. For this cosplay look, I'm going to be doing Vanny from Five Nights at Freddy's Security Breach. For this cosplay, it's just a super basic face of makeup to start, and then a lot of red eyeshadow to mimic her red eyes in the game. Then, using an eyebrow pencil, I draw on the basic shape of the spot onto my face, and then fill it in with a lot of contour and gray and black eyeshadow. Around the edges, I use a pencil eyeliner to outline it, and then add little stitch marks. Now for the actual Cosears. For this one, I'm going to be using the more flexible headband that's made out of fabric and attaches with Velcro. This one has 2 magnets sewn into the top of it, and then it can just go right over your wig cap underneath your wig. Just make sure that the magnets are rotated the right way so that they will attach to your ears through the wig. Next, you can just add your wig, make any adjustments that you need to make, and then add the Cosears on top. The magnets are strong enough that it can go right through your wig and they can attach it securely. For the rest of this cosplay, the only thing that I really needed to make from scratch was a nice blue bow, which I made by cutting up some scrap fabric, sewing it, ironing it, and then adding it to the rest of the cosplay. The rest of it was just a plain white shirt, some white gloves, and then a prop dagger that I made out of EVA foam a while ago. And with that, my cosplay of Vanny from Five Nights at Freddy's using the Cosears from Cosgear is complete. I think that it turned out really well, and I love how the rabbit ears look with it, especially since they're bigger and they look just so expressive, especially when they're waving on a setting that's this high. Overall, this cosplay was a ton of fun to put together, especially with the Cosears, and I can't wait to see what else I can make with these ears.
Okay, so my ending thoughts on the Cosears. I like them a lot. They're like super cool. It's so cool to like put them on and like look in the mirror and it's just like doing this. It's so cool. So the issue that I was having with them where one of them wasn't working, that was just like a small technical error, they said, and they do a lot of testing on them to make sure that they're all good, but sometimes just a faulty one will slip through, and they were really quick to send me a new pair. So it really worked out. So like 10 out of 10 customer service. I would highly recommend these. I don't know if I mentioned this, but like these are like flexible so you can bend them. I think that they are really cool, and thank you again Cosgear for sending me these to try out and show to people. They're super cool. They're just like a really cool addition to a cosplay, and the battery life on them will last like several hours, so they can be really great for a convention day as well, because even when they stop working, they'll still like be cool and they'll still look cool, and you can like make your own ear covers for them, so you can do all sorts of different things. Hi baby, what you doing? He's fine. And so these are just like a really cool thing. Thank you again Cosgear for sending me these. I hope that you guys liked this video and that you found it helpful and maybe helped you decide if you want to get Cosears or not. I think they're pretty cool. I'm slightly biased, but I think they are really cool. I only ran into like a couple small issues with them, but honestly I run into small issues with every cosplay that I do, so honestly I think that these are a really cool product. Thanks for watching. I'll see you all next time.